Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children. Today we are with a new lesson here. Yes. So children, you all can open page number 37 in your textbook and the name of the lesson is lesson number 10, the sack and the mouse. Here. Yes children, this is the story of the sack and the mouse. Sack means what? Sadhu. Yes, who sits under the tree and who does the meditation for hours ago and who has many ritual powers. He will be having lots of powers in him. Yes, as if you all have seen this Ramayana, Mahabharata. Yes or no? In that they will be showing the Rushi. ಋಷಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಪವರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಥಾಸ್ತು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಪ್ರಕಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೌಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. And though it was very small, the other animal used to trouble this mouse. So this mouse used to feel, why can't I be that animal? Why can't I be the dog? Why can't I be the tiger? Why can't I be the rabbit? Why can't I be the buffalo? Like this way, this mouse was thinking. So, and the sack also always he was petting. He used to like that mouse. And always that mouse used to go and sit there. So we will learn this lesson today. What happened in this lesson? Yes, the sack and the mouse. Once a sack was sitting under a tree. Yes, once what happened children? The sack was sitting under the tree. The Rushi, the saint was sitting under the tree. Sitting under the tree means ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು. Sitting under the tree. So suddenly what happened children? A crow came and sat on the same tree. Yes, where the sack was sitting. Yes, the tree was very big children. Yes, very big tree was there and the sack was sitting under the tree. Here one big katta was there. There was one big katta was there. And the sack he was sitting here under the tree. Then suddenly what happened? Here a crow came and sat. What was sitting on the tree? The crow. The crow came and sat on the same tree where the sack was sitting, where the saint was sitting, where the Rushi was sitting. There only the crow came and sat on the tree. The crow came and sat on the tree. It had a small mouse in its beak. Yes, when the crow had come, crow means which bird children? Which bird is crow? Kage. Yes, and this crow, it was having a mouse in its beak. Where it was having in its beak. Beak means the bird has a beak children. Ee tara irtade. Yes, this is called as the beak. The crow has a beak and this crow it takes the help of the beak to eat something. Animals or birds, they don't eat with the hand. Yes or no? Most of the birds they eat with the beak only. So same, even this crow when it came flying and it sat on this tree and the crow was having a mouse in its beak. It was having a mouse. Idi enittu adara baayalittu. There was a mouse in its beak. When the crow started eating the mouse, it fell on the sand. Yes, then suddenly the cow it came and sat on the tree and it was eating the mouse sitting on the branch. Yes, the crow, it was sitting on the branch of the tree, children. It was sitting on the branch of the tree and it was eating the mouse. Yes, who was eating the mouse? The crow. The crow was eating the mouse. Then what happened there when the crow was eating the mouse? It fell on the sand. Yes, then that mouse, it came and fell on the sand. ಆ ಋಷಿ ಏನು ಕೂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತು. It came and fell on the sack. Now the sack was a kind man, but still the sack, he was not a bad man. He was a very good man. Yes, he was a very kind man. Then what he did? He put the little mouse safely near him. Then what did he put the little mouse safely near him? He put the crow. Now the sack was a kind man. He put the little mouse safely near him. So when the mouse fell down, then the crow, the sack, he did not get angry. That man, that rishi, that sadhu, that saint, he did not get angry. What he did, children? He took that mouse and he put that mouse at the side of him, at the side of him. On pakkake avanu ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟ, ಎತ್ತು ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟ. So yeah. Now the sack was a kind man. He put the little mouse safely near him. One day when the mouse was sitting in the sun with the sack, a big cat wanted to eat it. Then daily when the sack made that mouse to sit beside him, then every day the mouse was coming and sitting beside the sack only. Then one day what happened? When the mouse was sitting in the sun with the sack, it was very hot, children, very hot, and the sun was sunny. It was the sunny and it was very hot here. The sun rays were falling. Yes, and here the mouse was sitting here. The mouse was sitting here with the sack under the tree. Then what happened? A big cat wanted to eat it. And there came a big cat. The cat, it saw the mouse. And the cat, it wanted to eat the mouse. The cat, Bekku. Yes. The cats love rats. Yes or no? So, the cat was very big. And that cat saw the mouse. And it wanted to eat the mouse. The mouse wanted to become a cat. Yes. Then what the mouse will do? I am so tiny because every animal sees me and it feels that it should eat me. It feels that it should eat me. So what the mouse thought? This cat wants to eat me. Now I want to become a cat. Yes, what the mouse says? I want to become a cat. It asked the sack. The sack smiled and changed the mouse into a cat. Then what happened here? The mouse, when it felt that I have to become a cat, then what the mouse did? It asked the sack. It asked that rishi. It said, I want to look like a cat. I want to become a cat. I am a mouse, but I want to turn into a cat. I want to look like the cat. Then the sack smiled when the mouse said. The sack, he smiled. He smiled and said that, and changed the mouse into a cat. And it changed the mouse into the cat. It changed the mouse into the cat. So the mouse was sitting where? The crow came flying. The crow sat on the tree. And when the crow came, what was there in crow's beak? There was a mouse. And when the crow was eating the mouse sitting on the branch, the mouse will fall down. Then what the sack will do? He will take that mouse and keep it at the side, children. Why? Because he was a very kind man. He did not get angry. Yes, he did not got angry. He did not say anything to the crow because what to say? It is a bird. So the sack, he took the mouse and made it to sit at side. So the mouse was very friendly with the sack, with the Rishi. Then next day, what happened? A big cat came there, and that cat wanted to eat this mouse. So the mouse felt, I want to become a cat. Then the mouse will say, I want to become a cat. Then what happened? It asked the sack. The mouse will talk to the Rishi, the sack. It will tell that I want to become a cat. I don't want to be the mouse because that cat is coming to eat me. So you change me as a cat. Then the sack smiled and changed the mouse into a cat. Then what happened? The sack, it smiled. He smiled and he said, okay, you want to become a cat? Then I will change you like a cat. Then the mouse changed the mouse to the cat. So here, some days went by. The little mouse was happy to become a cat. Then some days went like that only. When the sack changed the mouse as a cat, then the cat was very happy. Some days andre salpa dina. Some days passed. First I will write here, children. Smile. And the next is what here? Changed. And the eighth one is what here? Happy. Who became happy, children? The mouse. The mouse became happy. Why the mouse became happy? Because it was changed as the cat. The mouse was changed as a cat. So the mouse became very happy for some days. Some days andre swalpa dina. Some days went by. The little mouse was happy to become a cat. After few days, Tommy the dog dashed the mouse, turned cat. After some day, what happened, children? There was a dog, and the name of the dog was what? Yes, the name of the dog was what, children? Tommy. What was the name of the dog? Tommy. So what happened there? Some days went by. The little mouse was happy to become a cat. After a few days, Tony the dog dashed the mouse, turned cat. So Tommy the dog, what he did? After some days, few days, then what happened? After few days, Tommy the dog. Yes, Tommy. The name of the dog is what here? Tommy. Yes. What it did? It dashed andre dikki hodedu. It dashed. The mouse turned as cat. Yes. First the cat was as a mouse. ಮೊದಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ಇಲಿ ಇರ್ತದದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Why? Because the mouse wanted to look like a cat. It wanted to become a cat. So the sack, he said, now you are turned to cat. So after few days the mouse was very happy in a look of a cat. Then after few days passed, one day what happened? This cat was moving here and there on the streets. Yes. Then there a dog came, and the name of that dog was what, children? Tommy. And that dog, what it did? It dashed the mouse turned as cat. It is mouse only, children, but it is turned as cat. So it came and dashed the cat. It now wanted to become a dog. The cat was changed into the dog. Then when the dog followed this cat, then suddenly it went to the side and it said, now I want to look like a dog. Yes, I was a mouse. You changed me to the cat. Now again I want to look like a dog. Why? Because the dog is back of me. It wants to catch me. It wants to kill me. And it wants to eat me as his supper. So I want to look like a dog. Who says this, children? The mouse will tell to whom? To the sag, to the Rishi. It will tell, I want to look like a dog. I want to become a dog. Then the mouse turned, cat turned, dog. Yes, the mouse, the little mouse, first it turned as a cat and then it turned as a dog. Yes, ಮೊದಲು ಇಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು? ಬೆಕ್ಕಾಯಿತು, ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ನಾಯಿ ಆಯಿತು. It became as a dog. It was turned as a dog. Followed the sag everywhere. Yes, see, the mouse turned a cat, turned dog, followed the sag everywhere. Yes, wherever it was going, wherever the sag was going, the mouse was to follow the sag also. Every day the mouse was following the sag also. But one day it saw a big tiger. Yes, so see what happened. But one day it saw a big tiger. Now here the mouse first changed into the cat and then changed into the dog. Now this dog, it saw the tiger, children. What it saw? Tiger. Yes, it saw the tiger. Yes, what happened then? The tiger growled at it. The mouse turned cat, turned dog, run to save its life. Yes, once the tiger saw this dog, this mouse turned as cat and turned as dog. Then suddenly the tiger saw this mouse, this dog. Then what happened? It started to growl him. It wanted to eat it. Then there what happened when it wanted to eat? So see there. The mouse turned cat, turned dog, ran to save its life. Yes, the dog was running, the mouse that has become the dog now. It was running so fast. Why? Because it wanted to save its life. Yes, children. The dog, the mouse, the cat, it wanted to save its life. So there what happened? It wanted to become a tiger. The sag turned it into a tiger. See. Now again what the dog said? I want to turn as a tiger. I want to become a tiger. Yes. Who says this, children? The dog says. Yes. The dog says that I want to become a tiger. I want to look like a tiger. So what happened? It wanted to become a tiger. The sag turned it into the tiger. The sag, the Rishi. Again, what he did? He turned that dog into the tiger. ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅದು ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಇಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಕ್ಕ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂತು. ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನಾಯಿತು? ನಾಯಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಸ್, ನಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ now? It want to look dog. After dog, now next it want to become a tiger. So the sag, he turned that mouse as a tiger. ಆ ಋಷಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ? ಅದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the mouse turned cat, turned dog, turned tiger, stood in front of the sag. Then last, what happened? Tiger is a wild animal, children. Yes or no? When it sees any person, what the tiger will do? The tiger will first jump on the body and kill that person and eat the flesh of the what? The person, the human flesh. Who will eat? The tiger will eat. So as soon as the stag changed the dog as a tiger, then he was now a wild animal. Then the dog, after turning it into the tiger, it became a wild animal. Yes, kaada prani agbittadu. Yes or no? It became a wild animal. He jumped on the stag to kill him. See, it took the help of the stag only to get changed. And when the stag, ಆ ಋಷಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಪಗಳನ್ನು ಅದು ಧರಿಸ್ತದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟೈಗರ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೋ ವಾಪಸ್ ಆ ಋಷಿಯನ್ನೇ ಅದು ಕೊಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಆನ್ ದ stag and kill him. So see, he jumped on the stag to kill him. The stag was a wise man. He knew that a tiger would kill anybody. Yes, then the tiger, then the stag, he was very wise and intelligent. If I turn this mouse, first I turned it as a cat, then I turned it as a dog. Now he is telling that it wants to turn as a what? Tiger. If I turn this dog as a tiger, then definitely this tiger is going to kill me. So it had planned before only who? The stag. The stag had planned before well in advance. He had planned before well in advance. What is that? He knew that the tiger would kill anybody. Yes, the Rishi, the stag was knowing that he may kill anybody in the around us, who are around us, he may kill. This tiger may kill any person or any animal. He was prepared for the attack. Yes, then the stag, the Rishi, he was already prepared. Though he was very wise man, he was knowing, if I change this dog into the tiger, definitely he is going to come to kill me, he is going to attack me. So before that only, I should have a best plan what is next. Then here, he turned it back into the little mouse that it was. Then what the stag did? I changed you in so many animals and you were trying to kill me when you became a wild animal. So I will make you back, I will give you this back, I will take you to the back how you were before as a mouse only. Then the stag, he changed the tiger as a mouse. What before it was the same, it became at the last. So this was the small lesson, children, that I have completed for you people. Now I will read the lesson once. You give the finger. The stag and the mouse. Once a stag was sitting under a tree. A crow came and sat on the same tree. It had a small mouse in its beak. When the crow started eating the mouse, it fell on the stag. Now, the stag was a kind man. He put the little mouse safely near him. One day, when the mouse was sitting in the sun with the stag, a big cat wanted to eat it. The mouse wanted to become a cat. It asked the stag. The stag smiled and changed the mouse into a cat. Some days went by. The little mouse was happy to become a cat. After a few days, Tommy, the dog, dashed the mouse, turned a cat. It now wanted to become a dog. The cat was changed into a dog. The mouse turned cat, turned dog, followed the stag everywhere. big tiger. The tiger growled at it. The mouse turned cat, turned dog, ran to save his life. It wanted to become a tiger. The sack turned it into a tiger. The mouse turned cat, turned dog, turned tiger stood in front of the sack. He was now a wild animal. He jumped on the sack to kill him. The sack was a wise man. He knew that a tiger could kill anybody. He was prepared for the attack. He turned it back into the little mouse that it was. Yes, children. So, I have completed this lesson for you people. So, the lesson behind the grammar part I will continue in the next video, children. Till then, read the lesson 2 times and I will be in front of you with the new video. Thank you, children. Have a great day.